Take a close look at these faces. Many of these boys were barely teenagers, yet they spent long days inside America's factories. In the early 1900s, child labor was common, and thousands of children traded classrooms for dangerous jobs. This powerful photo helped expose a reality many Americans never saw. Before Atlantic City became a modern tourist destination, it was already America's favorite summer escape. This crowded beach scene captures a time when families flocked to the shore by train, searching for sunshine, ocean breezes, and a break from everyday life. It was the American dream of vacation. This sketch takes us back to the American frontier, where survival depended on hard work and determination. Settlers built homes from logs, cleared land by hand, and created communities from scratch. Every board, every wall, and every road represented a step toward building a new nation. Standing proudly aboard a steamship, these men helped power America's age of transportation. Long before airplanes connected the country, steamships carried passengers and cargo across rivers and coastlines. Their work kept trade moving and linked distant communities during a rapidly changing era. This family portrait reveals the harsh reality of the Great Depression. Millions of Americans struggled with poverty, unemployment, and uncertainty. Behind every statistic was a family like this one, doing everything possible to survive. Their resilience became one of the defining stories of American history. Imagine witnessing this moment. Two railroad crews finally meet, connecting tracks that stretched across the American West. The railroad transformed travel, trade, and migration, shrinking distances that once seemed impossible. This wasn't just a transportation project, it helped unite a growing nation. During World War II, American women stepped into roles once dominated by men. Here, women work on aircraft production, helping build the machines that supported the war effort. Their contributions changed perceptions of women in the workforce and reshaped American society for generations. This busy city street offers a glimpse into urban America nearly a century ago. Automobiles were becoming common, businesses lined the sidewalks, and cities were growing at an incredible pace. It's a snapshot of a nation embracing modernization while leaving the old world behind. Captured during the American Civil War era, this rare image shows soldiers moving through city streets as crowds gather to watch. The Civil War reshaped the United States forever, testing the nation's future and leaving scars that would influence generations of Americans. Racing across open land, this rider represents the spirit of the American frontier. In an era before modern communication, horseback messengers and riders connected distant settlements. Their courage and endurance helped open the West, creating legends that still inspire Americans today. Imagine waking up and finding your entire neighborhood gone. This heartbreaking scene shows the aftermath of a devastating American disaster. Homes were reduced to splinters in minutes, leaving families searching through rubble for anything they could save. It's a powerful reminder of how quickly nature can change lives forever. This rusty sign hides a piece of forgotten America. Behind it sits a classic Route 66-era vehicle, a symbol of road trips, freedom, and the open highway. For generations, Route 66 wasn't just a road. It was the path to new opportunities, adventures, and the American dream. Believe it or not, this is one of America's first traffic lights. Before modern intersections, traffic was controlled manually. An officer operated this signal by hand, helping manage the growing number of automobiles. It's a fascinating glimpse into a time when America was learning how to handle the automobile revolution. What you're seeing here was completely legal, until it wasn't. During Prohibition, authorities seized and destroyed massive amounts of alcohol across the United States. The ban was meant to reduce crime and improve society, but instead it fueled underground markets and created some of America's most notorious criminals. Look at this line. Every person here is waiting for a chance to work. During the Great Depression, jobs became incredibly scarce. Thousands stood in lines like this for hours, hoping for employment. This image captures the desperation, uncertainty, and determination that defined one of America's toughest eras. This wasn't just a bar, it was the social center of the Old West. Saloons were where cowboys, miners, travelers, and businessmen gathered after long days. Deals were made, stories were shared, and legends were born. Places like this helped shape the culture of frontier America. Long before women's professional sports received national attention, these athletes were making history. This 1946 All-Star women's baseball team proved talent has no gender. While many male athletes were away during wartime, these women stepped onto the field and inspired future generations of American athletes. This is what a busy American city looked like before modern cars took over. Streetcars moved thousands of people every day, connecting neighborhoods and businesses. These electric trolleys helped build America's growing cities and transformed the way people lived, worked, and traveled. For millions of immigrants, this moment changed everything. After crossing oceans in search of a better life, families faced inspections before entering America. Some would begin entirely new lives, while others feared being turned away. This scene captures hope, anxiety, and the promise of a fresh start. At first glance, it looks like a giant storm cloud, but it's something even more terrifying. This is one of South Dakota's infamous black blizzards during the Dust Bowl era. Massive walls of dust swallowed towns, darkened the sky, and forced thousands of American families to abandon their homes and start over. If these images touched your heart, please subscribe and join us on this journey through the past.